In a serene forest, where the whispers of the leaves danced with the gentle breeze, lived a little fox named Felix. His fur was as bright as the morning sun, and his eyes sparkled with curiosity. Every evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, Felix would venture out to explore the wonders of nature. One day, Felix noticed that the stream, which usually flowed with crystal-clear water, had begun to dry up. The flowers were wilting, and the animals were worried. Felix decided he must find the source of the problem, embarking on a quest to restore life to his beloved forest. As he journeyed deeper into the forest, Felix faced several challenges. He had to cross a narrow log over a deep ravine, and he encountered a grouchy old owl who wouldn't let him pass unless he solved a riddle. Felix, feeling nervous but determined, took a breath and focused on the challenges ahead. Using his cleverness and a little bit of courage, Felix solved the riddle and crossed the log safely. He also shared a kind word with the owl, softening the old bird's heart. Finally, he discovered that the source of the dry stream was a fallen tree blocking the water flow. With the help of his friends, they worked together to clear the path. With the stream restored, the forest flourished once more. Flowers bloomed, and the animals rejoiced, celebrating their teamwork and the return of life to their home. Felix felt proud, knowing he had made a difference. As Felix settled down under a starlit sky, he realized that kindness, courage, and friendship could overcome any obstacle. And so the forest thrived, a testament to the power of working together.